Today we're going to be working on a 2009 Lexus ISF. We're going to show you how to connect the factory microphone in this vehicle. We're going to be following our guide here. So we've already got the radio and display out, and we're going to be connecting to this 28-pin connector right here. We're going to go for pin slots 10 and 11, and this is 14 all the way on the left, so then we go 13, 12, and then 11 and 10 are going to be this yellow and brown wire here. So we're going to connect to those with our WLEX5MIC kit, which will have this harness, or this cable, and it's going to have two of these P-tap connectors here. So the first step is going to be stripping the ends of this cable here that comes with the WLEX5MIC kit. We're going to strip the black and the red wire here. It's not very much, it's like ½ an inch. And then from here you're going to unscrew the top of the P-tap, and you're going to slide the wire through it. Just like that. And then you're going to screw it onto the lower middle part, and you want to make sure you get all the stripped bit of the wire inside the P-tap. And next we'll do that for the positive wire here, and then we'll come back and show you where to connect them. So now that we have the P-taps connected to both of these wires, we can go ahead and connect them to the factory wires here. So we're going to start with our red wire, our positive. And that's going to go to pin slot 11, which is this yellow wire right here. And you're going to take the bottom of the P-tap and you're going to wrap it around the yellow wire in this case. And then we're going to screw the P-tap onto that. And then next we'll do the black wire here. And that's going to go to the brown wire, which is right next to this yellow one. We're going to flip the harness over for an easier way to get to it. There we go. And now that we've got those connected, we can route the other side with the 3.5mm jack to the V-line and plug it in.